Everyone, I hope you all are doing absolutely fine in your life and you are enjoying. So, happy Raksha Bandhan to all my sisters and also for also brothers. So, tomorrow will Raksha Bandhan. So, I came at my home to tie Rakhi. So, I thought actually I come at morning. So, I also come to my my paddy field because I I told you many times, like if you are my subscribers then you maybe know when I ever I came my home I can visit, you can say, at my paddy field. So here is green and green, and this is the time around 5:30 p.m. So everywhere are peace and natural environment, you can say. I'm enjoying right now. And I thought one more thing, I'm at alone right now, there no one can. So I thought I recorded a video because I'm enjoying the nature as well, and my English practice also done, so that's why I'm making videos right now. And this is the good way to capturing our memory. This is the good way to capture our thought and collect memory, because uh, after tomorrow I will be not there. So if I make today's video, so if I will watch tomorrow, so I can recall all my memory and things. So okay, tomorrow will Raksha Bandhan. So I want to say something about Rakhi. So what is the meaning of Raksha Bandhan? First is Raksha means protection, and Bandhan means relationship and bond between sister and brother. So Raksha Bandhan means relation between and bond between brothers and sister, and trust between brother and sister. So there are many stories. Different people have different perspective why we celebrate Raksha Bandhan. So I know two story um, about Raksha Bandhan, why we celebrate Raksha Bandhan. So I am telling to you. The first story is, you can say, Lord Krishna and Draupadi. You know, the Kaurav, the Pandav wife, the Arjun, you can say. So here is one Krishna cousin brother name is the name is, I don't remember his name actually. So he is abused him a lot, I think 100 times. uh, Forgive him, Krishna, but after 100 times he angry and he killed two that that cousin brother. That time the Sudarshan Chakra was cutting her own finger as well. That time everyone here and there, some are, you can say, like his guards or his brothers, like everyone going here for their to for like to cover, you can say, and tie to his finger. But Drupadi is, he, you can say, he, you know, वो अपना कपड़ा, you can say, चीर के वो he wrap on Krishna finger. So from that day, you can say, Krishna said me कि today you give me this much cloth, so like wrap on my finger, definitely I will protect you any danger, from any danger, or you can say every time. So from that day we celebrate Rakhi. And the another story also, Lord Vishnu and goddesses Lakshmi. Once upon a time, like a demon king Bali, he is doing he that time he was doing some rituals. So in rituals he distribute everything. Any pandit or any brahman came to him, and that time anything he asked, so he give me easily, because that is a rituals that time he followed. So you can say, God Vishnu came to him and he asked about, like, can you give me some land, like 3 foot land. So he give me, okay, I can give you 3 foot land. Then after that, you know, the God Vishnu, he has big, you can say, big foot, and he cover in 1 feet he cover whole land, and another in Sarglok, and third he want to you can say he want to stay like a third feet. So you can say ask where मैं कहाँ पे अपना तीसरा पैर रखूँ, like that. So he say the king said you can आप मेरे सर पे रखो, like that. So then he Lord Vishnu, he is very happy, and he'll give him ask to, you can say, ask to Bali ki what you bone you want, because you can impress me through your distributing and dan, like that. So that time he said ki can you stay always with me. Indirectly he said ki can you guard of my building, you can say, at my home, like that. So that time Lord Vishnu said, okay, I am happy with your work, so I am definitely your guard from today. So then after some time Mata Lakshmi was tense. He is he is feeling, he is missed Lord Vishnu. Then he decide like that. Narad Muni came and told me ki okay, there is a solution. You can go to King Bali, and you can say you can tie a rakhi on his wrist, and you can call him as a brother, and I tie a rakhi, so in return you can give me something, and you can give me my husband, you can say Lord Vishnu. So that rituals also. And I know I'm not explaining very well, but I try to explain in my way. So these are the story, and this is the and from that day people are celebrating some people are celebrating giving gift, some people are celebrating for only tie rakhi, different things. So I know this true story. So please tell me how was your experience, what is your perspective, and before you know this thing or not, please comment me as below. And bye bye, we will meet in the next video. Thanks for watching.